Understanding hard cheese in English. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase, hard cheese. This phrase has a unique meaning in English, and understanding it will help you sound more like a native speaker. So, let's dive in and uncover the secrets of this quirky expression. Hard cheese is a British colloquialism that means bad luck or tough luck. It's often used to express sympathy when someone experiences a minor misfortune. However, it's important to note that it's not used for serious or tragic situations. Example, you missed the bus? Hard cheese, but there'll be another one soon. The phrase, hard cheese, originated in the early 19th century. It's believed to come from the idea that hard cheese is less desirable or more difficult to eat compared to softer cheeses. This concept was then metaphorically applied to describe situations that are tough or unfortunate. 1. Expressing sympathy. Use it to show sympathy for small inconveniences. 2. Example, hard cheese about losing your pen, but I have a spare one. 3. Light-hearted tone. The phrase is informal and often used in a light-hearted, joking manner. 4. Example, you didn't win the raffle? Hard cheese, better luck next time. 5. Not for serious situations. Avoid using it for serious or sensitive matters as it might seem insensitive. While hard cheese is commonly understood in the UK, it might not be as well known in other English-speaking countries. Therefore, it's important to be aware of the cultural context when using this phrase. I hope this video has been helpful in understanding the phrase, hard cheese. It's a unique part of British English that can add a bit of flavor to your conversations. Remember, it's all about context and tone. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.